Luckily, there's many supplements that are really helpful for healing leaky gut. And actually, many of them are coming in formulas now, which is wonderful. They're some of my favorite formulas and my most used formulas. But in general, there's different things that are really supportive for repairing the lining of the gut. Glutamine is an amino acid and it helps to repair the epithelial layer. There's also vitamin A, D, and the mineral called zinc. Those also help to heal the immune lining of the gut and to reduce inflammation. We also have different mucilaginous herbs, things like cat's claw, marshmallow root, okra, aloe. Those mucilaginous herbs help to repair the mucosal lining. Collagen and different collagen peptides help to repair the lining. And then a high quality probiotic. So we're basically building the lining of the gut and lining it with that probiotic layer. I have this intestinal rejuvenation smoothie that I've built up, and I think it's really one of the first things I like to use with people when I'm repairing leaky gut. It's got the Gut Revive powder, which repairs the actual lining. It has the glutamine, the mucilaginous herbs, and the vitamins that help to repair the lining. I also use a probiotic because that lines the microbes, the microbial barrier on the top. There's a fiber. I say that the gut repair and the Gut Revive powder is repairing the lining and laying down new pavement. And the fiber is a street cleaner that pushes all the sludge to the exit. There's also a protein powder called Inflammapro. Inflammapro is a 15 grams of protein per serving, and it's a vegan protein made with rice and pea. It's got a full multivitamin in it and an anti-inflammatory formula. And that's really, really helpful for making it a meal replacement, but it also helps to clear out the inflammation and the autoimmune reactions and the allergy reactions that are happening in the bloodstream. And then there's an omega-3. The omega-3 is very important for the inflammation. That could be either as a fish oil or as a flax oil. And finally, I always put in a green or a red food or a comprehensive fruit and vegetable formula that helps to provide all the vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals we need for repairing leaky gut and for repairing our bodies overall and getting all those nutrients from food. And this is all mixed into one smoothie. It's a meal replacement. It's got 15 grams of protein. And I think it's a fantastic way to start the day and to start your healing program because you're getting to the root of everything else. When the gut lining's intact, you can absorb nutrients, eliminate toxins. From there, everything you do on top of that to build, whether it's eating healthy foods or taking supplements, we know they're going to work better because they have the foundation on which you can build from.